Hello and welcome back to our channel, and we are going to cover fish, cafe and water sports. So there's a lot of things going on here, so we're going to take you around as we go. This is our holiday in. So I'm just going to take you around. Look at this, look at that view, look at that one. It's a very nice rock. Look at the rock there. Look at that rock building there. So it's nice. There's a lot of things going on here. So let me do the you go, I'll do that. Okay. So I'm just going to start with this. So we're going backward again. Look at the whole environment here, and there's a lot of trees here. I'm just showing you the trees here, and it's quite windy, so Mr. Always Right is going to take us around. So we're going down slowly, so we're going to show you this side of the beach. They call it Boat Yard, Rockley Water Sports and Hobby and everything here. So I'm just taking you there. That is why they call it Rockley boat side, because there's a lot of rocks in this area. So you could see it. Let me just bring the view here back a bit. So Hobby is taking a slow walk down there. It's always feeling cold. Every time we come to the seaside, it's always feeling cold. So this is a very different place we are going to show you around. So people are coming here for water sports. So there's a bridge over there as well. So there's a lot of things going on here. So this is a very nice place. Look at the water. Look at the water. So you can see children are all here. They are doing water sports here, skiing and a lot of things. Even the dog is also having a swim around. So so you could see all big rocks are here. So you could see the water here. Wow, that is absolutely amazing. I'm just holding my wing before the wind will blow. Look at the train going. The train is going as well. Yeah, look at the train. So nice. The train is going. Hobby is just taking me around for it. Just going to go around. So it's quite very. So this is a small harbor. So there's a lot going on here. So it's so wonderful Yeah. So there's a lot of things going on here. There's bridge over there. I think that's where the bridge is. I'll continue from the other end. So look at it there. I'm just trying to show. So look at the sand. Look at it there. Railway. Where are you? Pardon? Not yet. I can't hear you.
Do you want a cup of tea?
Later on, I'm just trying to finish this film. I'm coming.
You go in another
Video. Yeah. So I'm just going to show that bridge over there. There's a lot going on here. Look, another one there. Where is that one?
Which one?
Oh, there's a dog.
I know.
Oh my God.
That's why I said, you want to go for a cup of tea?
It's not coming. It's not coming. I'm just going that corner, please.
Well, I wouldn't. Dogs around it.
What is that thing? How do you call that thing that's making that noise?
It's a fire.
Cell. Oh, that dog is good at facing that dog straight. I'll come back. So this is how so all the around here. So how could look at how the wind, imagine people around there going to take everybody. So this is cafe. I'm just going to show you. Yeah? You can go back.
I said, I'll take you for a cup of tea.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just,
Get in the wall.
okay, I'll finish this. So I'm just coming back here again. And do not swim in this area. So I'm just saying, taking you again to this beautiful scenario. So it's a lot of boats here. I'm here just we have to be careful. We don't want anything to blow up. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And that is the seagull going around. So it's such a wonderful day.